And they're off. Early lead is taken by Deceiving by the Rail, Charming Liar on the outside. And moving up on the inside is Top Notcher. And Luna Rosa Hieroglyphics is bringing up the rear. And at the mid-back stretch, it's Deceiving by 2.5 lengths, followed by Charming Liar in second. And running in third is Luna Rosa by 3.5 lengths, Top Notcher Hieroglyphics. Rounding the far turn, it is still Deceiving by 2.5 lengths, followed by Charming Liar on the outside in second. And running in third by 5 lengths is Luna Rosa, Top Notcher Hieroglyphics. But it's still Deceiving by half a length, followed by Charming Liar on the outside in second. And Luna Rosa remains in third by 5 lengths, Top Notcher Hieroglyphics. And at the top of the stretch, Charming Liar on the outside and Deceiving by the Rail. Is Charming Liar now on the outside, grabbing the lead, followed by Deceiving. And by the rail is Luna Rosa, Top Notcher Hieroglyphics. And into the home stretch and nearing the payoff line, it is still Charming Liar in the lead, followed now by Luna Rosa. And finally, Charming Liar, Luna Rosa, Deceiving, Top Notcher, and Hieroglyphics.
Okay, 5, 4, 2, 1, 3 ating unofficial order of arrival.